Sometimes you gotta eat an entire cucumber. Let me show you the best way to do it. Start by slicing your cucumber. Oh, you thought I was gonna slice it this way? You know, that reminds me of calculus. If we're integrating by slicing, you have options for how you can slice. You can slice vertically, you can slice horizontally, just like with the cucumber. You know, most people slice into discs on a mandolin, but maybe I want cucumber noodles. Now, is this the easiest way to slice a cucumber? I'm gonna say no, just like in calculus. A lot of times you have the option, whether you wanna slice vertically, horizontally. Sometimes it doesn't matter what way you slice. Other times, one way of slicing is a lot harder than the other. And just like I have to be a lot more mindful as I'm slicing this direction, in calculus, sometimes slicing one way is a lot easier than the other. Okay, I think I have enough cucumber linguine. I'm gonna start slicing the rest of this the other direction. Put these pieces in here. Hey, this happens in calculus too. Sometimes if you're trying to find an area, it's easier to break it up into two sections and to integrate them differently. This method is a lot more efficient for the end of the cucumber. And now we integrate the rest of the ingredients. I guess I could also slice the green onion this direction. I think I'll stick with the shell method on these. I'm gonna go ahead and add the vinegar now so it starts pickling while I do everything else. Integrate lots of garlic, ginger, garlic powder, MSG, obviously, chili crisp, black pepper, soy sauce, Korean chili paste, and sesame seeds. And now we shake. My arms are so tired. Maybe that's why Logan uses plastic containers and not glass mason jars. Okay, moment of truth. I can't describe it, but it somehow tastes different. Slice this way. This is delicious, no matter how you slice it.